am again at TJ Maxx, going in to see what I can find. I'm looking for some Marc Jacobs bronzer, and I might pick up a Nars Laguna bronzer, and we'll just see what we find. Okay, so this top shelf, this is the palette section. This top shelf is basically the same as it was last week. Naked, Ultimate Basics, $24.99. And the little BH Cosmetics little 16 shade palette. I think this one's $6.99. And then the Becca Chrissy Cravings Glow Kitchen Kit. This one is $16.99. And then we have the Pixie Dulce Candy Pixie Eye Reflection Shadow Palette. These are $8.99. And Dulce Candy is $7.99. This poor little subculture. It's been here in the same section for weeks. No one loves it. You can see why. It's very sad and lonely. It just stays and stays. No one ever takes it out. Look, it doesn't even have a price tag. It's sad. This is makeup sadness right here. But, oh, there's some better subcultures. These ones are $19.99. This is the Marc Jacobs Make Your Mark 3-piece travel size liquid lip crayon set. This is $12.99. This one's new. I didn't see this one before. And the MAC Hyper Real Glow. This one's $19.99. And the Laura Mercier mascara. This is the Full Blown Volume Supreme. This one is $12.99. And then the Wonder 2 Lash Extension Stain Mascara. I do not know what that means. That's $6.99. It seems complicated. And the Christy Brinkley in a Blank Mascara. This one's only $3.99. They have super low prices on the Christy Brinkley products. This is Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan Tinted Everyday Tinted Moisturizer and Primer, $11.99. I think I saw this one last week. And then Laura Geller Montauk Escape. This is $12.99. It's a little palette. And you can still get the Dr. Perricone Note Makeup Foundation. This is expensive. It sells at Sephora. And this is the Dr. Perricone Face Finishing Moisturizer. This one's $7.99. Okay, so here's some affordable stuff. This is CoverGirl Advanced Radiance Age Defying Makeup. And this one is only $2.99. And then you have an e.l.f. Baked Highlighter. That's only $2.99. And there's Kat Von D Locket Powder. This is $10.99, but I just saw a couple of these over on clearance for $9. And then Nars Concealer. This is the first time I've seen this. This is $7.99. This says Light 2.75. See if they have my shade. And they have the Nars Sunwash Bronzer. This one is $16.99. I bought this a couple of weeks ago. This is Falaise. This is, I think, the 4th shade. This is the darkest shade. And I bought the lightest, which is Seaside. They also have Casino, and they have Seaside. And I think the lightest is too light for me. I think I could use the Laguna, but guess what? I can't find it. Falaise. The Lagunas are gone. I am out of luck. If you want the e.l.f. HD Powder Corrective Yellow, this one's $2.99. Laura Mercier, this is the Extra Lash Sculpting Mascara. This one's $12.99. And we also have Peach Blur by Too Faced, and these are all $12.99. Laguna! I found it down there. I'll just check it, make sure it's not swatched. This is Pixie by Petra. This is the Multi-Balm Cheek and Lip 2-in-1. The shade is Multi-Balm Soft Strawberry, and it's $4.99. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of things that I saw a week ago, so I'll just show you really super quick. Laura Mercier Flawless Skin. This is the SPF 40. This is $19.99. We also saw this a little bit ago. It's Laura Mercier Editorial Eye Palette, 6-shade palette. This one is $16.99. Laura Mercier Balance and Brighten Baked Color Correcting Foundation with a retractable brush and porcelain. This is $5.99. And these are super pretty. This is the Becca Mineral Blush in Nightingale, $7.99. Okay, a Bite Beauty and a Mousse Bouche. This is the liquefied lip. This one is $4.99 and the shade is Taurine. Laura Mercier Long Lash Mascara. This one's $12.99. And then Buxom, the Bold Gel Lipstick. This is Sinful Cinnamon. It's a matte. This one is $5.99. I would love to find the whipped version of this that recently came out here at TJ Maxx, but I can't find it. This is Nars Velvet Lip Glide. This one is $7.99. It's in Mineshaft. And you can also get that in Mineshaft and Mineshaft. This is Mineshaft. It is a classic, beautiful red. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I am in skincare, just taking a quick breeze through here. I saw an Origins moisturizer in another TJ Maxx video, so I thought I'd look for that. And I just found here a Clinique Moisture Surge. So this is a really amazing product. This is 2.5 ounces. It's $34.99. And even though it's $35, I don't want to spend that much money today. I wasn't planning on it, but this is such a good product. And I'm going to grab it. I never see this here, so I'm going to grab this. And then right next to it we have Origins Ginseng. I've tried a few of them. I think the ginseng has the citrus scent, a really nice scent. This is the Energy Boosting Treatment Lotion Mist. This one's $11.99. And then over here there's a bunch of the e.l.f. skincare. There's the Brighten Up Peel Pads. I have to zoom you out in a second, sorry. This is $5.99. There's the exfoliating scrub. There's the whip plumping mask. There's the workout ready hydration stick. There's a nourishing face oil. The post-workout cool down mist. And let me get y'all the prices for these. Okay, that's a lot better. And the whipped is $4.99. The hydration stick is $2.99. The facial oil is $4.99. And the cool down mist is $2.99. And the exfoliating scrub is $3.99. I started researching this last night. This is the Revolution, used to be called Makeup Revolution. This is the skincare line, and I've never used this. I never really see it here, but it's starting to show up here at TJ Maxx. This is only $4.99. This is a hydration boost, fragrance free. They also have some treatments and serums that I would love to see here at TJ Maxx. And here's the clearance, looking crazy as usual. We have some Too Faced chocolate bonbons. This is $15. And the Shade and Light Cream Contour. I haven't seen the powder contour in a really long time. This is the cream one. This is $16. Okay, so here's some clearance. This is Becca and Chrissy Cravings, the Glow Gloss Kit. This is 10. And the Kat Von D Locket Powder. This is in deep. This one's 9. Here's a little Living Proof Timeless Conditioner. A little 2-ounce size. It's $4. And this is the Italian company, Borghese. This is the Gentle Foaming Gel for bath and shower. This is only $6. And here's a Subculture palette. This one is marked down as 16. Looks a little powdery. Probably not in great shape, but you never know. Here's all the nail polishes. So I definitely want to pick up nail polishes now that I've gotten all my nail polishes organized. So I need to find like a nice corally color for the summer. And I like these little minis. I think they allow you to kind of step out of your comfort zone and try something you might not try. So this has Mrs. O'Leary's Barbecue. It also has Grand Canyon Sunset. It also has Deer Valley Spice. And it has a gloss and it has a primer. So I'm definitely going to pick this up because I do need a top coat and I do need a primer. So I'll just grab this. It's $5.99. I like it. Okay, we have some Orly too. I don't think I've ever used Orly polishes. This is $3.99. And then there's a bunch of OPI here, and the OPIs are $3.99. And that's even better than at Ulta. At Ulta right now, they're half price, and they're still like $5.99. So this is a good place to kind of stock up. Okay, so for a Melanie color for the summer, the Essie looks a little like a frosted color maybe. And then the OPI, this is in Get Myself Into a Jambalaya. This is cute. I'm going to go with this one. And this one in Orly is $3.99 and it's called Lift the Veil. I am no virgin bride, but I'm going to take this home.